Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint a galaxy.
Alright, so the question of the day is, what is a water world?
Alright, let's run through the colors. Primary yellow, pearly red, quin red, azo nickel, Van Dyke brown, phthalo green, phthalo blue, quin blue, Mars black, titanium white. For this layer, what we're going to do is we're going to add a white gaseous forms to kind of give the entrails out of the galaxy. Those are kind of the galaxy that haven't formed yet, so they're just kind of solar dust. And later we'll overlay that with color. And at the same time, what we're going to do is add some really dark space in here, so that'll give it more of a more uneven sense to the space. So you get a feeling of it's really swirling around at center here. For this layer, we had kind of flattened out the image. Now we're going to bring back the darker parts in the image and color these white fields, so there'll be fields of color. It'll look dark right now, but it'll dry a lot lighter. And then we'll recenter this to be more brighter in the center. Alright, for this, what we're going to do is kind of darken these edges a little bit too light. Same thing up here. This can be purple, but it has to be darker. It's not just quite dark enough. This looks kind of nice. We're going to make these black further back. When we coat it with more color, it'll make that black look more natural. And then we'll bring in more color to the center to be more interest.
So Waterworld is this planet that's 39 million years away, and it's actually, the whole world's covered by water. And so to be covered by water, ice crystals, plasma, different water types, but there's literally no land formation that peaks to the surface. So that's the Waterworld, and the question of the day.
Alright, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So this one has kind of a nice blue purple top, then it transitioned to green, then a brown in the middle with yellow. Overall, I think this is probably the best of the scattering of the white stars. There is a little bit of stars missing on one of the corners. Maybe that's dark space, who knows? So there's always kind of that issue, whereas you always kind of want an uneven spread of your planets and stars, that it looks more natural. I think there's a good concentration of stars in the middle. So overall, I think I'm pretty happy with it. Hopefully you guys like it. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.